Guys, we got our first mod today. It just got here. Look, let's go. Guys, look, we got our first mod. We got our first mod, y'all. Today we will make, I don't know. I'm not going to say that. I'm going to try to attempt to install my first front lip. I didn't go expensive. I didn't go big on it, y'all. I just found one on Amazon because I'm coming from my truck being lifted at like 9 inches to something like this. So I did not want to go out and spend a bunch of money on a fucking front lip and I fucking smash it. So we went Amazon, found one on there for like $150. So we're gonna run this one and yeah, let's unbox it real quick just to see how it looks. All right, y'all. Like I said, this is my first lip. First time even buying something like this. So I didn't want to go expensive. I went, like I said, to Amazon, something cheap, something that I thought looked kind of cool online. So yay, that's what we going with. Hopefully my mic's working this time. Me and Sammy went to Beam. Well, obviously y'all seen the last video, but we went to Beamer Invasion and the mics was not working on my on our cameras or on our phones, and it pissed me off. Okay, cool. Make sure nothing's in here. Cool, empty. All right. So, first piece. Whoa. It looks cool. So this is the, what it is, Left HC. Smells like paint, fresh paint. Actual. So, head, I don't know. First one. I hope they didn't give me 2 lefts. I'm gonna be pissed. Oh no, that's 2 different sides. Okay. Now, this is like the main piece right here. Gave me some 3M. I don't know if that shit worked anything, but we're gonna try it. Bro, okay. Front lip. I'm gonna lay it all on the ground so I can show you guys. So that's what I'm guessing that's what it's supposed to look like. Let's put it in front of the car. All right, y'all. So, guys, like I said, man, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but let's get to it, man. I'm finna try and install my first lip. All right, let's see what we gotta do. Might have to take all of this stuff. Yes, ma'am. No, I don't think so, babe. All right. Gotta unlock it before the freaking alarm goes off. Put the brakes on it. It's gonna go in rear now. got them all now. Alright, y'all. So I've kind of figured it out. These pieces actually go on fairly fucking easy. I think I'm gonna put 3M tape on it. I'm about to take it back off, but all I have to do, these caps, these right here, actually go right over this. So it's just like a little plug and play. Boom. Take the 3M tape, put it on there. Boom. Get there right there. All right, now let's see how it's actually gonna look. It'll look something like this. Get it all bolted up and everything. Hopefully I can get it on here pretty even and whatnot, you know. It'll look just like this though. Something like that, 3-piece shit. So I think it's gonna look cool. I don't have anything that is hold it up, but essentially that'll be kind of like the look of it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get it, hook it up. I'm gonna put the 3M tape on it for y'all. All right, guys. So after doing all the 3M, I kind of like, you know, see how I did it. It's not the best work, but after, you know, doing all of that, now I'm gonna just take it, put the screws in it, which are like right here. They sent what is this, like 5 or 6 screws to go in the bottom of the big piece. And then we're gonna slap it on, man. I think I'm doing good for my first time, be honest. Yeah, let's get back to it.
What y'all doing to the car?
Huh?
What y'all doing to the car?
Oh, I just put a front brand or something on it. Yeah, it didn't have one on it. The sides go over the covers that I had.
Oh, okay.
Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Looks good. Good.
Ooh. Okay, yeah, that makes it look so much better. Now I definitely gotta lower it. Okay, we're going bags. Yeah. Front lip looks actually good. Amazon did its job. It was a 3-piece. So I feel like I have it the best it can go. Hopefully that's the best it can go. I don't know. This side is pretty much the same. This is a little bit, not like crazy off, but I mean, it looks good.
That side is a little tighter, it looks like.
That one is?
Yeah, that one's
Then
coming
this
down.
one? See, a little bit. That's what I'm saying. My OCD is fucking with me.
So maybe there's something that just needs to be tightened a little bit.
Yeah, I probably need to tighten this one up under here. But I'm gonna be honest, y'all, fairly easy. But I know now, I definitely need to lower it some more. So we're going bags, I think. So guys, we finally finished up with the car. I'm super happy with it, man. The fucking front look looks so good, man. I like it. It looks so good. Super excited about it, man. I'm gonna take it out later, get some pictures of it right now. That motherfucking sun is cooking, y'all. But yeah, you know, I'm gonna take it out later, get some pictures of it, so I can show off the front lip, man. So the next thing that I have actually planned for the BMW, I most likely will be getting done, will be the tint. I need to get it re-tinted, to be completely honest. I don't know if y'all will be able to see this, hold on. So there's like a little spot right here that's not finished, or there it goes, see? So it looked like somebody kind of like tried to peel it off or something. I'm not sure, but it looked like somebody tried to like peel it off right here. So I'm gonna get it refinished or redone, not refinished, but I'm gonna get it redone. So I wanna go 5 all the way around and 35 on the shield. That's my plan. After the tint, who knows, man? Who knows? But we finna go and take some pictures of the car. I gotta post this content because I did just put a new lip on it, and I really wanna see, like, I wanna go take some pictures and see how it look out in the sun. You know what I mean? I mean, everybody do this. Come on now. Y'all know what it is when it comes to the car content. Shit. We finna go take some fucking good ass pictures of my car, because it looks good. I just put a brand new front lip on it, so yes, we finna go out. I have my vlog, okay, y'all peep, look, I have my vlog camera. I'm not too, I need another one. I think I'm gonna go with the ZV. So I'm about to end up ordering the ZV-1 and using it, cause I'm over this one. But yeah, right now I'm using my phone. But we finna go out, like I said, take some pictures, man. Shit gonna look good. Oh, I'll see y'all when we get there, man. Oh shit, hold on, I gotta put my hair up. So at this point in the video, I kind of figured out that I didn't have any audio. And the reason is because I left my car running while recording. Rookie mistake. But, you know, I'll explain what pretty much is going on at the end of this. So I'm pretty much just showing you guys the front lip and telling you guys what I thought about it. And I'll tell you now, I think this was a really good first mod for me to, you know, even put on the car. It kind of got me hands-on with it, so it was fun and I enjoyed it, man. So hopefully I get to put on some more stuff with it. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Be sure to smash that like button, be sure to subscribe if you're not, and yeah,